Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash. Chapter 1. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash adjusting values. To start, in the search box enter Control. Open the Control panel, then click on File Explorer options. In the window you see in the field Open File Explorer to set this PC. After that, click on Clear. Apply the changes. Confirm that you have access to File Explorer. Chapter 2. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash updating the system. To start, open Start and click on Settings. After that, in Windows Update, you can check if there are updates for the system. You are going to check that the File Explorer can be opened without errors. Chapter 3. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash from terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Terminal Admin, click Yes to access. Here, perform a scan on the file system. Run the command sfc scannow / press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You must wait for the file system to be scanned. Confirm that there are no errors with the File Explorer. Chapter 4. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash from PowerShell. To get started, in the search box enter PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Select Yes to open the terminal. Now run the command on the screen, press Enter. Wait for the system image to be analyzed. At the end of this process, open the File Explorer. Chapter 5. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash from Task Manager. To start, right-click on Start and click on Task Manager. In the window, select Windows Explorer. Once you do, click on Restart Task. It is time for you to wait for the environment to load to check that the File Explorer opens. Chapter 6. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crash resetting apps. To get started, click Start and select Settings. You're going to go to Apps and then Access Default Apps. In this section, go to the bottom, click Reset, click OK, and wait for the process to finish. As you can see, the File Explorer opens without errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.